Alright, hello everyone, and good morning. Today is Saturday, July 12th at 8:32 a.m. The reason why I'm doing this earlier than usual is because I have something come up, and I really need to get to it around like 9:15. And I won't be home until like 11 a.m. So I'm gonna do this early because I kind of have to. But okay, so first off, we got a slight risk in Michigan, Ohio, Indiana, and Kentucky. So we have the slight risk encompasses almost all of the East Coast, not East Coast, but the east of Michigan, and western Ohio, and northwestern Ohio, and much of eastern Indiana, and much of southern Indiana, and extreme northern Kentucky. We got a slight risk over here, also in Mexico. Not Mexico. Why do I keep saying Mexico? Michigan. Up here, and we also got another marginal, same marginal for extreme northeast Wisconsin. Also marginal. That encompasses almost all of Kentucky, but which has a slight risk. But also look at that, except for that tiny little that teeny part of Kentucky isn't included in the marginal. But and for almost not almost all, but that kind of will be included. But Southwest Virginia, South Central Virginia, and a teeny tiny part of Maryland right there encompassed in it. Thank God I'm just in the thunderstorms risk today. Also, North Carolina, Central North Carolina, you're in the marginal. Central South Carolina, you're on the marginal. Almost all of Tennessee, except for that tiny little part right there. Northern Mississippi, Northern Alabama, and Northern Georgia, and extreme northeastern Mississippi. Also northern Arkansas, and almost all of Oklahoma, except for out there, so central Oklahoma, central Texas, western Texas, and that's pretty much it. And also central New Mexico, and in central Colorado. Okay, well, the marginal encompasses Dallas, Texas, Fort Worth, Texas, Charlotte, North Carolina, El Paso, Texas, and Denver, Colorado. The slight risk encompasses Detroit, Michigan, Indianapolis, Illinois. Detroit, Michigan, Indianapolis, Indiana, Columbus, Ohio, and I have no idea how to pronounce that word. I'm gonna say Toledo, Ohio, in Cincinnati, Ohio. We got tornado risk. We got a 2% up here in extreme northwest and extreme northeastern Michigan, and that's it. 2% encompasses Saginaw, Michigan, Midland, Michigan, Bay City, Michigan, and Appleton, Michigan. The wind risk, we got a 15% that encompasses much of eastern Michigan, and much of western Ohio, and much of eastern Indiana. Okay, the 5% encompasses Dallas, Texas, Fort Worth, Texas, Charlotte, North Carolina, El Paso, Texas, Oklahoma City, Oklahoma. That's it. And the 15%, which encompasses Detroit, Michigan, Indianapolis, Indiana, Columbus, Ohio, Toledo, Ohio, and Cincinnati, Ohio. If I'm rushing, it's because I really need to get to this pretty fast. The health threat that encompasses much of western Michigan, and extreme northwestern Ohio, and extreme northwest and extreme northeastern Michigan. No, excuse me, extreme northeastern Wisconsin. Also 5%, which encompasses south central, central and south central Oklahoma, and much of western Texas, and a tiny part of the Texas Panhandle. Also, the 5%, which encompasses central New Mexico and central Colorado. Like I said, if I'm rushing through this, it's because I have to get somewhere pretty fast. But I can go through the things one more time. Marginal includes Dallas, Texas, Fort Worth, Texas, Charlotte, North Carolina, El Paso, Texas, and Denver, Colorado. The tornado. Oh yeah, the slight. The slight includes Detroit, Michigan, Indianapolis, Indiana, Columbus, Ohio, Toledo, Ohio, and Cincinnati, Ohio. Tornado, 3%, which encompasses Saginaw, Michigan. Excuse me, Saginaw, Michigan, Midland, Michigan, Bay City, Michigan, and Alpena, Michigan. If I'm saying these names wrong, it's because, I've no idea how to pronounce them. 5% encompasses Dallas, Texas, Fort Worth, Texas, Charlotte, North Carolina, El Paso, Texas, and Oklahoma City, Oklahoma. Wind risk, oh my god, quit. The wind risk comes only 5%. The wind today, Detroit, Michigan, El Paso, Texas, Denver, Colorado, Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, and oh my god, am I on the wrong thing? No, a minute. Okay. The hell, oh my god, no. Sorry, I'm getting frustrated. 5% encompasses Detroit, Michigan, El Paso, Texas, Denver, Colorado, Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, and I can't even pronounce that word, New Mexico. I'll be back to do the afternoon outlook. So yeah, I'll see you all this afternoon around 12:30 p.m. to do the day 2 outlook video. Everybody stay safe. If you're in this flight, and marginal, because marginals can produce, you never know. One day there was a marginal up here in Pennsylvania. It produced multiple tornadoes. So, yeah. So be prepared if you're in the flight and marginal. I'll see you all around 2:30 p.m. for the day 2 outlook. Stay safe and stay weather aware.